Yeah, section 3 I will definitely discuss. Maybe all the questions also I will discuss. First of all, the beginning questions are easy, but still, if somebody has doubt, I am ready to discuss. Sakshi, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday evening you were absent, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Actually, I had network issues, so due to the rain and all, so I could not join.
Okay, I just called your name yesterday, did not respond this time. Okay,
Yeah, I did not join, sir, yesterday.
okay, right. Okay, you can see on the screen exercise 3B, section 1, first 6 questions. Anybody any doubts regarding these 6 questions?
Sir, these
Yes.
questions no doubt, sir.
Okay. I think this last one, what it is coming null matrix, huh?
So where were we supposed to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, null matrix.
Yes, sir, null matrix. Same question is there in mains.
Sir?
Mains objective.
Yeah. See, when to submit homework, I'll announce to you. Whenever I give homework, just do the homework. Okay. Don't worry about submitting. If you have to submit, I'll send a message to you or I'll tell in the class at that time. Is it okay?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you gave homework like in JEE mains max matrices complete up to 20 questions, all even numbered questions, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Correct. Yes, you are right.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All right. So, question number 2, 3, 4 on the screen. Anybody any doubt? No. I think now we are clear that fourth question you are supposed to take I square equal to -1, right?
Yes, sir.
So is it?
Yes,
Sir, you said that you will explain about the I and I square.
No. I said in second year we'll study about complex numbers. I'll tell a little bit about complex numbers. Don't worry. But I sent a message in the group saying that root -1 will take it as I. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just take I square equal to
Yes.
Fifth one you have doubt. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. In fifth question, you just have to find a square. What is that your doubt? You are not able to do it, or question is not clear?
Sir, they ask a square is equal to b square is equal to c square, sir. But
You don't have to prove a square equal to b square. You just prove a square equal to -i, b square equal to -i, c square equal to -i. Separate.
Yes, sir, but a square is not coming -i, sir, because I
Let
use unit matrix. This is scalar matrix, no, sir. A.
Wait. A square is what? A square is a into a. Okay. A is I0, 1, 0, -i.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Sakshi?
Sir, could you please put it your room?
Yeah. Just okay. You could see now?
Yes,
Sakshi?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, while multiplying the second row in the first matrix and the second column in the second matrix, we should be careful, sir. There, the minus signs are changing.
Yeah, it's actually plus I square only will come. Somebody may think it is -i square. Yeah. This is I square, and this into this is 0. This into this is 0. This into this is -i whole square. I square 0, 0. -i whole square is also I square only. And I square is -1, 0, 0, -1. You can take minus common from everything and write 1, 0, 0, 1. This is an identity matrix. So minus
Sir,
I. Yes,
sir,
please.
how I square become -1, sir?
Oh, that's what I said. But for the fourth question and fifth question, I is not like English alphabet. It may be English alphabet, but in maths, there is a separate chapter called complex numbers. In real numbers, everybody knows if you take a square of a real number, you can't get a negative number, -1, -2, -3, things like that. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
square root of a negative number doesn't exist in real number system. But we defined a new system called complex number system. how would you define, how to add them, how to multiply them, and all, everything we'll study in second year. It's a very nice topic. Patnaik sir also teaches beautifully that chapter. I don't know second year, either he will teach or I will teach depending on the tracks and all. But we'll discuss in detail. Okay, we have complex numbers,
Okay.
at least 4 weeks will be discussed. Right now, just take it that I is equal to square root of -1 and I square equal to -1. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just
Understood.
take it like that.
Understood.
Right? Okay. So you regularly see the messages in the WhatsApp group, and any messages which are unnecessary, regularly you delete it, or any messages which are important, I think you star them so that while deleting they generally usually doesn't get deleted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I sent this message in the group that it belongs to a complex number system, and just take it as I square to minus. Mrudula, are you there in the class? Mrudula? Roll number 221, 115, 221. Are you there in the class, Mrudula? Not there. Okay. All right. So whoever asked doubt about fifth question, are you clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So now I don't tell other parts of that question, right?
Yes, sir. No need, sir. No need.
Okay. Right.
Sir, for finding the squares, squares or any a to the power of n, can we have any formula or some shortcut for doing it, sir?
No. It depends on the question. We'll discuss it. Okay. We are going to today, after clarifying our doubts, we are going to discuss especially that model of questions. Okay. Sai Venkat, you wrote some line. Can you remove it, if possible for you? Sai Venkat, can you respond?
Sir.
You've drawn one red line on the screen by mistake, maybe. See if you can erase it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one.
Yeah, you want me to scroll up?
Sir, no, sir. Now scroll down in section 2. The first question I asked about it. Only.
Is it is our-
Okay, okay. That I'm going to
Yes,
discuss.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
it's not.
Question can
Which one? Seventh question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, section 1, last question. All right. By the way, I sent solutions to this whole exercise. Okay, anybody has seen them?
I didn't say it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we saw, sir.
Okay, the whole maths and determinants, all the examples and exercise solutions were typed and I sent to you. There is a chance that here and there some small typing mistakes may be there, but the reason I sent is some small questions. If somebody has doubt, they can look at it. Mostly they'll understand on their own. Okay, so when I send some message, not me, any teacher sends a message in the group, please see it so that it will save some time. Otherwise, same thing somebody will be asking about whatever I announced in the message or something. Okay, this is A, 2, 4, minus 1k. The S square is null matrix, we have to find k. So A square means 2, 4, minus 1k, and again 2, 4, minus 1k. It is null matrix, means 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. First row into first column, 4 minus 4. First row into second column, 8 plus 4k. Second row into first column, minus 2 minus k. Second row into second column, minus 4 plus k square equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is anyway 0, nothing to equate. When I equate these two, I'll get 8 plus 4k equal to 0. When I equate these two, minus 2 minus k equal to 0. And when I equate these two, k square minus 4 equal to 0. If I take only this, you will get k equal to minus 2 after taking my 4 common. If I take only this, you are getting k equal to minus 2. If I take this, you are getting k equal to plus or minus 2. But everything should be satisfied, not just this. All should be correct. So obviously k equal to minus 2. Is it okay, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the difficulty that you faced while doing this question?
Me, sir?
No, oh, sorry, who asked out? Whoever, I did not see the name there.
Like I
Whoever
got
asked?
confused while equating it, sir.
Okay, well equate. All right, fine. You have to just equate the corresponding element. And even though one case we got two options, we want a k that will satisfy every equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Somebody asked about section 2, first question.
Sir, actually I asked about any shortcut for those type of matrices.
Yeah. This question is easier, but we will discuss in general. Okay, little later. Actually, it is there even in the section 3. If you want to square any diagonal matrix or you want to find higher power, it's very, very easy. Why? Let us say we have a matrix A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. Okay. If you want to find A square, A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, again A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. A square.
So,
Yes, please.
then we raise the power of the diagonal elements to the given power.
Yeah, each diagonal element will come that power. You're right. When I take first row into first column, I'll get A square. A into A, this into this is 0, this into 0. First row into second column 0, first row into third column is 0. So 0 here, 0 here. This into this 0, this into this 0, this into second row will be B square. Similarly, C square. I think we can very easily see that, right? Okay. Now you can easily say when we want A cube, for example, A cube means A square into A. Take this and multiply with one more A0. You can easily see you get A cube, B cube, C cube. So it may be easy to make a statement that A power n will come power n, power n, power n. Okay, but one may say it looks obvious, but how to write a solution that it is always true? Okay, in the exam I cannot say find A square, find A cube. No, we can easily say that A power n is this. Okay, for that only mathematical induction is there, which we will discuss in the section 3 little bit, and our next chapter is mathematical induction, where we will discuss thoroughly. But anyway, coming to the present question, you simply find A square and A power 4. Don't worry about all this. While finding only, you will know what is happening. So this is A is what?
Sir, can it come to power 4, sir, or only till square?
No, it will come power n, I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but in this question, they want A power 4, so you simply find A square first. 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Again 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3, and write 3 square 0 0 0 3 square 0 0 0 3 square. You write 9 also, not an issue. Now A power 4 is A square into A square. Directly 3 square 0 0 0 3 square 0 0 0 3 square into 3 square 0 0 0 3 square 0 0 0 3 square, and it is 3 power 4 0 0 0 3 power 4 0 0 0 3 power 4. If somebody doesn't want to do this, they want to state a formula, and you can do it also. You can also say if A is equal to A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, then A power n equal to A power n B power 0 0 0 B power n 0 0 0 C power n. State this formula, and now you say A power 4 in the present question is 3 power 4. Like that also you can say. But without talking about all that, simply find A square, simply find A power 4, at least the question is done. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Doing all this, we can take 3 common from the matrix, no, sir.
Yeah, that is also good. That's nice. You can also write another method. Write A is equal to 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and write 3i. And directly A power 4 is 3i whole power 4 is 3 power 4 I power 4. 81 and I power 4 is I only. Now you write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. This is also good. Nice. Who said this?
Shishidhar,
Understood.
Shishidhar. Okay. Sorry, because you were I spotlighted my video. Whenever somebody speaks, I'm not able to see you. I can see you in the device. Okay, so you can do like this. You can do like this, or you can state this formula for diagonal matrix, and you can use that and do it. Any one of these three methods. All are welcome. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So far, section 1 and this is section 2 first question. Anybody still any doubts left?
Sir, section 2 fourth sum.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Section 2
Section
fourth
2
sum.
fourth sum.
No, that I will discuss. I'm telling section 1. Anybody any doubts left? No. Okay. Section 2 second question. Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Simply AQ means you find A square
Sir,
and then
in this, sir, in second question, we have to do first A square into A, right?
yeah, you can write A square into A or A into A square, whichever you want. Anything is good.
Yes.
So then it will be a null matrix, sir.
A square is coming null matrix.
A cube, sir.
A cube,
A
sir.
cube is null matrix. Okay, fine. But what I'm saying is, in the process, how to find it is, you can write first find A square, then you write A square into A or A into A square. Anything is okay.
Sir,
Okay.
in second question, A cube is null matrix, sir.
That's what people are saying. You can see in the textbook answers are there. As all of you know, at the end of the chapter in IP textbook, answers will be there for each and every question. You
Yes.
know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can verify your options whether they're correct or not by looking at the end of the chapter. Okay, third question, section 2. Anybody any doubt?
Sir, is there any short process for this question, sir?
No short process. Okay. I'll tell you one short process, not for board exam, for some other purpose, but I cannot tell now. I can only tell at the end of the chapter. Okay. Yeah, fourth question, there are two ways to do this. Section 2, fourth question. I is equal to 1001 and E is equal to 0100. And they wanted AI plus BE whole cube. AI plus BE whole cube is equal to AQ by plus 3A square B. Okay, there are two ways to do this question. All right. Method 1.
Sir, this is a special case which you have done that if b square is equals to 0, I plus b to the power of n is equals to a cube I plus 3a square b square.
Yeah. Anyway, yesterday I told a lot of theory. You don't have to use all that. Yeah, you notice E square is null matrix. That is very good. Okay. But earlier, yesterday what I told only I is there. Here AI is there. Okay. So maybe yeah. I'll discuss that method also. Maybe I'll discuss that first and then I'll do the other. Okay. A plus B whole cube. Can I write A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube? Is it okay or not okay?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it do you think in matrices all the algebraic formulas are you can use it or any condition?
So the condition is AB is equal to AB into
Yes. Only when AB equal to BA is given to you, then only you can use it. So if somebody want to use A plus B whole cube formula here, you can use it, but you have to prove product of these two is same as product of these two. Okay. What is the product of these two? A and B are real numbers. They are not matrices. Small a, small b are real numbers. So it will be AB, IE. That is AB. When I take this first and this later, BE first and AI later, that is also ABEI and that is also ABE. Because product of these two or product of these two in the same order, that AB and B are equal, I can use. So now I'm going to write that. Okay. AI into BE is equal to AB into IE, which is AB into E. Okay. If I take BE into AI, that is BA into EI, but BA or AB real numbers, okay, into E. Okay. So both are equal, whether I take this way or whether I take this way, they're same. AI into BE equal to BE into AI. Because A, if I call this a capital A, this is a capital B, A into B equal to B into A. Now I can use A plus B whole cube regular formula. So AI plus BE whole cube is equal to AI whole cube plus 3 into AI whole square into BE, 3 into AI into BE whole square plus BE whole cube. Okay, this is A cube I cube. This is 3A square I square BE. This is 3AI B square E square. And this is B cube E. But you should also write E square separately and prove null matrix in the beginning if you want. E square is what? 0, 1, 0, 0. Again 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 0. This into this is 0. Yesterday we are looking for a matrix whose square is null matrix, right? Even though original matrix is not null matrix. This is one example. Yeah. So E square is null matrix means even E cube is also will be null matrix. So this is null matrix, this is null matrix. So now what will happen? A cube, I cube is I only. And I square, I want to bring this B here. I square is I into E. And this is null matrix, this is null matrix. So A cube I, 3A square B, I into E is E. Okay. So this is one method. I'll also really find LHS separately, RHS separately, and prove both are equal. We'll do that way also. Okay. Anybody any doubt or objection to the method 1?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
but
sir.
can you wait, sir? I'm copying it, sir.
Yeah, I'll wait. Not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I did it in both ways, sir.
Oh, that's good. Excellent. Who is that?
Sir, first I did the second method and I found that we can use the method while revising the notes. And again,
Yes,
I used the two.
That's good. What's your name? Sorry, I cannot see you.
Kasu, sir.
Okay, Kasu. Nandan, you tried this exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I requested earlier, if possible, in WhatsApp display picture, DP you call it, I think if you can keep your picture, because we are not seeing so regularly, I can see you sometime in the class while going on in between, whether video is on and off and all that. But when we meet, I want to be able to recognize you. I want to recognize you. So please keep that. Of course, girls may feel some objection, I don't know, but boys definitely should keep it. Other Patil, Shreyash Patil, your video should be on. Ganesh, Samit. Jacinth, video is off. Mukund. Lot of people video is off. Likit, Moni, Pranit, Vanita, Omkar, Nikhil, Subhash. Please turn on your videos. If somebody has issue, you send a message in the chat. But every day we cannot allow you. You have to find solutions. Mukund, I sent a invite to join a homework group. You have seen it?
Yes, sir. I joined it.
All right. I think all of you have seen. I created one separate group for submitting maths homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So usually I'll ask you to submit in the Class Plus app only. Once in a while, class notes I want you to submit, or some particular homework I may ask you to submit in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If anybody wants some other different number to be added to that group, please send a message to me. I'll add. Okay.
So we should send it in the PDF form only, sir.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
All right, others. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Does anybody need more time?
No, sir. Over.
Okay.
Sir, just
Ah.
one.
Okay. Sakshi, are clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vaishnavi, you are there in the class from day one?
No, sir. In the middle, I was absent, sir.
No, I'm not talking about preparatory course. I'm talking about on the 5th when we started.
Yes, sir. First 2 days I attended, sir. Third day I was absent, sir.
Okay, fine.
Completed.
Okay. After this class is over, in that homework group that I sent, all these classes which I'm recording and kept in YouTube, I'll send a link to you. Till I complete maths and determinants chapter, that link is sufficient for all the videos. Okay. So if somebody missed any video or you want to listen to a class again, you can use that. Okay. Yesterday, did you like this? Some of the first 10 odd numbers n square, that graphical explanation that I gave.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to make some videos like that. Somehow, sometimes got busy. Otherwise, some videos and send. We'll see. Okay, method 2 for this. Very simple. Really find AI plus BE. A into I is 1001. B into E is 0100. When you take A inside, you get A00A. When you take B inside, 0B00. Now, when you add the corresponding elements, A, B, 0, A. Okay. Now, if I want to find cube, I have to find square first. So, AI plus B whole square will be AB0A into AB0A, which is A square, 2AB. Okay.
0 A square.
0 A square. Yeah. Thank you. So now if I want AI plus B whole cube, okay, that will be AI plus B whole square into AI plus B. Once again, before I forget, those are in this class who may going to be hostless later on. Okay, that is, you are not from basically Visakhapatnam. Okay, please send a message to me. You are from which place and all. I want to have some better idea about you. That is one thing. And second thing is, those are not from Visakhapatnam. Maybe they are not able to purchase some books and all that. Okay, so they'll be using PDFs and all. So I want to know who is using the PDFs and who really purchased the books. So hostless, please send a message to me, personal number. You are from which place? Okay. Okay, now this is A square 2AB 0 A square, and what is AI plus B? A B 0 A.
A cube.
Yeah.
3A square B 0 A cube.
2A square B. Okay. 0 A cube. Now what you can do? You can leave it this one here. Find RHS separately. Or this is 3A square B.
3 square. 3A square B.
Yeah. Now you can stop LHS here, find RHS and say LHS equal to RHS, or you can split this very easily. You can write this as A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3A square B 0 0. Right? Now this you can take A cube common. Okay, I don't have place, I'm writing here. If I take A cube common, this will become A cube 1 0 0 1. And this, if
So
I take
that will be
3S,
the continuation of the final matrix we found.
yeah, yes, correct. After this, I'm writing here, okay? 0 1 0 0. You can easily see this identity matrix. This is E. So A cube I plus 3A square B E. If you did not get idea that I can split like this, don't worry, stop it here. Start from RHS, find RHS separately by putting I, putting E and multiplying and adding. You will get the same as this and say LHS equal to RHS. Or always just 2 steps, split it, take A cube form, you will get. So which is equal to RHS and screw. You can do like this also. Not very difficult questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody should go through all the examples before the exercise and the theory before the exercise. Just read it once, okay? And even in our mains material, up to wherever we covered first 7 points or 10 points, please read them, okay? Because some small simple points I might have not mentioned explicitly. For example, O represents null matrix or I represents identity matrix, something like that. So I thought if I give so much notes, I cannot discuss variety of questions. That's why I did not. I discussed all the points, did not give the notes. And one student yesterday sent message to me that he was going through all that and writing all the definitions and all in the class notes on her own. That's very nice. Okay, I want everybody to read all the definitions and all. If you have time, you want to write them in the class notes, you write them. You're welcome, not at all.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I wrote this sum in the homework notes.
Yeah, you don't have to write this in class notes. I'm discussing doubts, na. So only those who have doubt, they will fill in their gap in the homework book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But if I told some alternate method, you want to write it in class notes or you want to write it in homework book, it's okay. Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time for this?
No, sir.
No. Okay,
Sir,
this is done.
excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah. Please tell. You want some time? Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, actually, in the 030, the section 2, we did one problem, sir. We found out the A power n.
Yeah,
It
correct.
is same. It is same as the the section first problem in the section 3.
There is a slight difference. There they asked A power 4 and it is also 3 times identity matrix. It is a scalar matrix. But here it is just a diagonal matrix. So, and they did not give a number, not A power 4 or A power n. It is a more generalized version of that one. So, we have to see how to write a proof. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I know you can understand why power n is coming because you multiply, find A square, find A cube, you can easily see the pattern and make it. But we'll discuss that. Okay. Section 3, second question. Okay. I know many of you might have completed, but somebody asked all the 4 questions basically, so I want to discuss it. So I'll discuss first one and third one, but I want to finish the second one in section 3.
Then we should write this in between notes, sir.
Yeah, see, this is homework. I'm clarifying your doubts in the homework. I'm sure whenever you did not get a question, you left enough gap for the solution for that. If you did not leave the gap at the end of the homework, you can write. So you can write these things in homework book. It's not necessary to write in class notes. Is it okay?
Sir, what is the symbol which was given in the second question?
Theta and phi. I'll read it. Section 3, second question. See, this whole section 3, especially the 3 questions, if you are not able to do, don't worry at all. Is it okay? Because the reason is some other knowledge is required to do this. Okay. Section 3, second question I want to discuss first. If theta minus phi is equal to pi by 2, Then we have to show that cos square theta, cos theta sin
Sir,
theta.
is that minus symbol between theta and phi?
Sir?
Yeah, it is minus symbol only. Maybe it is not clear in the stand one. It's theta minus phi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is cos theta sin square theta.
Sir, and the pi by 2 given in it is, we should read it in the angles, we should convert it in the angles, sir.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Cos square phi, cos phi sin phi, and cos phi sin phi.
Sir, not able to pin the videos.
Wait, I'll stop screen sharing, then we'll see. It is in spotlight now. You're able to see, right? Or spotlight is removed?
Sir, the shared screen
We
is
can see, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, I think now you can see, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. I think when I share the screen, you have to just switch between the shared screen versus speaker.
Swap option is there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now,
Sir,
yes, please.
sir, phi is there in sets, no, sir?
Yeah, that is null set, but here it is just phi is just an angle. Theta is one angle, phi is another angle. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please.
Sir,
Yes, please.
one theta symbol under the other symbol, what is that, sir?
Phi.
What is-
PHI. Phi.
Phi. Okay, sir.
You know, these are some.
degrees.
Yes, what? Okay.
Pi by to 90 degrees.
Yeah, correct. See, we are not started trigonometry. There are many years where in Ascent, in 1 year track, we started with trigonometry and we done maths and determinants almost at the end of the course. Okay. There are many reasons we chose this way, because even in trigonometry, if I start, there is an issue because within trigonometry, some maths and determinants question will come. We will not be able to do. Okay. Similarly, if I teach maths and determinants first, you may have to know some formulas there. So there is an interrelation between the chapters a little bit. So when I started maths and determinants before trigonometry, wherever trigonometry is involved, you'll have little problem. Okay. So after maths and determinant is over, next I'm going to teach math and induction, which is a small topic. I'll finish in 4 days. After that, for 2 months, we are going to do only trigonometry. All right. So in trigonometry, I'll discuss many things in detail. Right now, just accept few things. Pi by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Some of you know about this. Some of you don't know about this. So those who don't know, just accept that pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Second thing, theta is just a symbol. They can give angle A here, they can give angle B here. You'll be more comfortable. They just give theta and phi. Okay. Now there are two ways I want to do it. Method 1, let us really multiply them. Okay. So remove this, show that I have to prove null. Really multiply them. First row into first column. Cos square theta cos square phi plus, actually I wanted to skip this exercise, but anyway you tried and discussed it. Cos theta sin theta cos phi sin phi. Next, first row into second column. Cos square theta cos phi sin phi plus cos theta sin square phi. Okay, listen to this. Cos theta sin theta cos square phi, and this into this sin square theta cos phi sin phi. Next, this into this cos theta sin theta cos phi sin phi plus sin square theta sin square phi. Now, Mridula, can you tell me what I can take common from this? Mridula, you are there in the class, right?
So,
Yeah.
what is the second row, second column element, sir? Could you please tell?
Second row, second column. Okay, this one. Cos theta, sin theta, cos phi, sin phi. Okay. And this into this sin square theta, sin square phi. Cos theta, sin theta, cos phi, sin phi, sin square theta, sin square phi. Yes, Mridula, are you there in the class? Okay, Mridula is not there. Okay. Okay, Likit, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Can you turn on your video? Ravyasri, Sai Venkat, please turn on your videos. Lot of people, okay? Be sure. Oh, Mridula, you're not able to talk, it's okay. Yeah, Likit, tell me from this plus this what I can take common.
Cos theta cos phi.
Yes, I
Cos
can
theta,
take cos theta cos phi. Then I'll be left with an extra cos theta, extra cos phi, and here sin theta, and here sin phi. Okay. Yes, Likit, from these two, what I can take common?
Cos theta sin pi.
Yes, cos theta sin phi, I can take common. I'll be left with extra cos theta, extra cos phi. So cos theta, cos phi. Here extra sin theta, extra sin phi.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir, before your video lags, sir. I think it's because of my network problem. That's why I asked.
Okay. All right. So if you want me to explain 1 second, I'm ready to explain.
Sir, for a bottom column, sir, can you once read it,
I
sir?
was able to hear your audio, but your video lagged. That's all.
Okay, let us see for a few minutes. Otherwise, we'll do. Okay.
Sir, for the above matrix, sir, can you once read the bottom element? Bottom.
Okay, second row. Okay. Cos theta, sin theta, cos square phi. Sin square theta, cos phi, sin phi. This into this plus this into this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this
I will next one.
cos theta, sin theta, cos phi, sin phi. Sin square theta, sin square phi.
Yes, sir.
This is plus section. Okay. Right. Yes, Likit, what I can take common from these two?
Cos sin theta cos sin pi, sir.
Sin phi is there here. Is it there here?
Sorry, sir. Cos theta sin theta.
Cos theta is there here, not there here.
Cos pi, sir.
Yes, cos phi is that we can take common, and what else?
Sin theta.
Yes, I can take the sin theta, cos phi common. I'll be left with extra cos theta, extra cos phi, and here sin theta, and here sin phi. Similarly, here I can take sin theta, sin phi common. Thank you, Likit. We will get cos theta, cos phi plus sin theta, sin phi. Okay. As I said earlier to you, here and there, 1 or 2 questions involves knowledge of other topics like trigonometry and all. So that is the reason somebody may be not be able to do it. So don't be discouraged. Still, I'm covering this question because at least the solution is there in your notebook. After trigonometry is over, when you come back and see, you will think such an easy question. Just because you don't know pi by 2 is 90 degrees, or I'm going to use one small formula, you don't know that, you may find it a little difficult. Otherwise, it's not a big question. But this much multiplication everybody can do, and taking common up to here, I think everybody can do. Yes, please.
Theta and phi are complementary angles, no, sir?
Yes, correct. No, that is when theta plus phi is 90. Here, theta minus phi is 90. We don't have any such name for complementary.
Sir, you write cos theta, cos phi plus sin theta, sin phi as cos theta minus phi, no, sir?
Yes, yes, correct. Okay, so please
Sir,
copy up
like,
to here.
So, like in the brackets, cos theta, cos pi, can we represent it as cos into pi plus pi?
Cos into in the
Theta
place
plus
of
pi. Theta
in the
plus
place
pi.
of in the place of theta, if you want to, you can write pi by 2 plus pi. Okay. If you are going to do that, I can do it right here. I'm going to do method 2 there. Please copy up to here. I'll explain further. Okay.
Sir, we should use cos A minus B formula.
Yeah, correct. You are right. Okay, whoever not done completed this question, please copy the solution. You can copy in your homework book itself. Okay, once again, this is not a physical class, so I cannot see each and everybody, and you are also may not be able to talk. If it is a physical class, I'm sure after class you can come out and talk to me. Okay. Anybody is not able to follow something, if I'm telling at good speed or some particular concept you find it confusing or anything, please let me know. We are very friendly. If required, we'll take a separate class for you in the afternoon only for you, and we'll explain whatever you have doubt. Okay. Or in the class only, I'll explain once again. I'm not in rush to complete this chapter in 20 days like that and all.
Sir?
Okay. Yes, please.
Sir, the answer
Could
is
you
0.
explain the same one, sir, with another example?
You want me to do some other question similar to this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Other example.
Okay, we'll
Sir,
see.
the answer is 0.
Yes, answer is all the elements are 0, so it is null matrix. O. We don't read it 0, we read it as O.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, please.
Sir, this problem now, which formula of trigonometry will use, sir?
I'm going to next step when I use it to you. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm erasing these first two lines.
So now cos into theta minus pi, sir.
Yeah, there is a formula in trigonometry. I'll write somewhere here. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. How this formula came right now, don't ask me. We are going to discuss in trigonometry later on. Just take this formula. Few students know this formula already. Yes, please.
Can you please read it out? I'm unable to understand.
Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Is it okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So now based on that, this is also like cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. I can use cos A minus B. So this is going to become cos theta cos phi into cos of theta minus phi. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Similarly here, cos theta sin phi, this is also same. Cos theta minus phi. And this is sin theta sin phi cos theta minus phi. And this is not sin theta sin phi, sin theta cos phi. This is sin theta sin phi cos theta minus phi. Okay. So all these four are exactly same. They're in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So I'm writing cos A minus B using this formula. Okay. The next step, cos theta cos phi. In the place of theta minus phi, I have to write 90 degrees or pi by 2. Cos theta sin phi. This is again cos 90 degrees. This is sine theta cos phi into cos 90 degrees. This is sine theta sine phi to then cos 90 degrees.
So,
Yes, please.
so how did you get theta minus 5 as 90 degrees?
In the question is given right in the beginning, theta minus phi equal to pi by 2. I said pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Remember that?
So how is pi by 90?
Oh, that part I am going to tell in trigonometry. Pi by 2 is a radian scale and 90 degrees is a degree scale. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is radian? How to convert from radian to degrees? How to convert from degrees to radians? We are going to discuss in trigonometry. Okay.
Sir, no cos 90 is 0, so 0
Yeah.
is null matrix.
I think everybody know cos 90 degrees is 0 or somebody doesn't know.
Yes, sir.
We know.
sir.
We all know, sir.
Everybody.
We all know.
So this is 0, 0, 0, 0, which is null matrix. Okay. So the only difficulty in this question for some students will be that they don't know this formula, that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B can be written as cos A minus B. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Another problem is the question looks very huge, big expressions. It may be scary in the beginning. Yes, somebody is asking something.
Sir, can we use theta is equals to 90 plus pi formula, sir?
Yeah. We can use it right in the beginning and then use sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 also will be able to. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to discuss that as method 2 after this. So these are all zeros and this is null matrix O.
Sir, you said before that second method is substitution, no?
Yeah, that only. In the place of theta, I'm going to write 90 plus pi.
Sir, then we should use the formula for cos into A plus B.
No, there what happens is you will directly get cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to, or no, directly they'll get cancelled out. You'll get zeros everywhere straight away. All thetas converted to phi or all phi converted to theta using some kind of trigonometry form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody needs more time to copy this or can I erase?
No, sir.
Erase, sir.
You can erase.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay. Okay. Theta minus, this is method 2. In the question it is given theta minus phi is pi by 2, which is 90 degrees. I can send phi to that side and write theta is equal to 90 degrees plus phi. If I take sine theta, which is sine 90 degrees plus phi, some of you may know this formula, some of you may not know. Sine 90 plus theta can be written as cos theta. So it is cos phi. If somebody doesn't know this formula, don't worry, we are going to discuss in trigonometry. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, cos theta is cos 90 degrees plus phi, which is minus sine phi. Okay. So in the first method, the problem is you have to know that cos A plus B formula. The second method problem is you have to know what is sine 90 plus theta, how it is cos theta, how cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta.
Sir, why sine minus sign, sir? Direct sign we can write no, sir.
No, we'll discuss it. That's what in trigonometry we'll discuss why this minus sign is coming. Is it okay?
Oh, okay.
I would have told you leave the section 3, but still I'm doing it because I thought at least we'll feel satisfied that we completed. Okay. Okay. So now if I take our question, what is the question? Cos square theta, cos theta, sin theta, and cos theta, sin theta, and the sin square theta. And the other one is cos square phi, cos phi, sin phi, and cos phi, sin phi, and the sin square phi. Okay, now I am going to remove all these things in terms of theta and write in terms of phi. Wherever sin theta is there, I'll write cos phi. Wherever cos theta is there, I'll write minus sin phi. So this is going to be minus sin phi whole square. This is going to be minus sin phi into sin theta is cos phi. This is going to be cos theta minus sin phi into sin theta is cos phi. And sin square theta is cos phi whole square into this one as it is, cos square phi, cos phi, sin phi, and cos phi, sin phi, and sin square phi. So now this is a square is there, so plus only. Sin square phi minus sin phi cos phi minus sin phi cos phi and cos square phi into this one, cos square phi, cos phi, sin phi, again cos phi, sin phi, and the sin square phi. Okay. Just 2 minutes, we'll stop it. Up to here, the first 4 lines, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now multiply directly, we'll get 0 in the next steps. First row into first column will be sin square phi cos square phi minus sin square phi cos square phi. First row into second column, sin cube phi cos phi minus sin cube phi cos phi. Okay. Second row into first one, minus sin phi cos cube phi plus cos cube phi sin phi. And the next one, both are again square. So minus sin square phi cos square phi plus cos square phi sin square phi. You can see these two are same opposite sign, these two are same opposite sign, these two are same opposite sign, these two are same opposite sign. Everything will cancel with a null matrix. That is this. You can do like this also. But provided in the beginning we use 2 formulas, you should have known that.
Sir, once can you show the multiplication of the first term of the matrix, sir?
First row into first column, this into this plus this into this, that is this. Is it okay? This into this plus this into this. Next time, this into this plus this into this.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, since time is up, I want to do one thing. Can somebody take a screenshot of this and put in the group so that somebody has not copied, they can copy. Who will take that?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Can you tell your name?
Sharath.
Sarath. Okay. So Sarath will send a screenshot of this in the group. If somebody wants to copy, you can copy later on because
Sir, 1 second, sir. Last time I'm copying.
Okay. Sarath, you took the screenshot? Sarath, you took the screenshot?
Yes, I can do so.
If you finish, tell me, I will leave. Okay.
Sir, done, sir. I've taken it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. We'll meet in the evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.